Logistics training is essential for business success. The way we deliver this training is critical to its favorable result. We need to evaluate the different methods of training our employees and choose the one that best meets their needs. According to a LinkedIn article written by Logistics Management, once you have identified your training needs, you need to choose the most appropriate and effective methods to deliver your training content. There are many options to consider, such as online courses, webinars, workshops, simulation, games, case studies, or on-the-job training. You should consider the advantages and disadvantages of each method, such as the cost, time, accessibility, engagement, feedback, and retention.
The best way, to be honest, for you will depend on your specific needs and resources. Now let's explore the most popular methods. First, the in-person training. This is the traditional method of training, and it can be very effective for providing hands-on instruction and allowing for interaction between trainers and trainees. However, it can also be expensive and also time-consuming to set up and deliver. Online training. Online training is a more cost-effective and time-efficient alternative to in-person training, and it can also be more convenient for trainees as they can access the training materials at their own pace and from anywhere with an internet connection. However, online training can be less interactive than in-person training, and it can be difficult to ensure that trainees are actually paying attention and absorbing the information. So my recommendation is that you need to create interactive activities in which trainees can engage better. You can take a look at our Profit Quest. We have interactive video, interactive activities to reinforce what they are learning. Blended learning. Blended learning is a combination of in-person training and online training, and this can be a good way to get the best of both worlds, as it allows for hands-on instruction and interaction with trainers, as well as the convenience and flexibility of online training. This is another method that here at Profit Quest we use. We have live session, and also it goes with online training. On-the-job training. On-the-job training is another way to provide hands-on instruction. This can be a good way to train employees on a specific task or procedures, but it can be difficult to ensure that all employees receive the same level of training. Now, no matter which method you choose, it's important to make sure that the training is relevant to the needs of your employees and that it's delivered in a way that is engaging and effective.
Building a training program for your logistics organization requires a systematic approach. It's critical to incorporate training and development as a cultural aspect of the business. All levels of the organization must see and understand that value. So get the buy-in from leadership to the desk level. Focus on improved performance, greater opportunities to earn. So you'll need to assess your current process and define the gaps. What's missing? What do you want to accomplish for new hire training, recurrent training, remedial training, and developmental training? Next, you're going to want to determine how this training and education should be delivered, sort of based on current technology and budget availability. There are live options, online options, learning management systems or LMSs, seminars, and a variety of other methods of delivery. It's important to find the right method for your business to serve, but not to disrupt. And then once defined, you need to curate the information to incorporate into the program. And much of it's already been created, and there are lots of tools out there. And you can source it from within the industry to serve your business, but there's going to be a lot of company-specific materials that need to be included as well. And so you need to focus on that. So from an implementation standpoint, you want to set proper expectations for the time and the effort and potentially compensation. Those are some key factors in implementing the training program. And most importantly, maintaining consistency to how you deliver it, the follow through and the follow-up. The worst thing that can happen is when you are trying to set the program and then after 2 months you just stop. You want to keep going, and ultimately it's a process of review and improve. And so as the training modules or components are completed, you want to review with the learners, managers, and leadership to identify what's working well and what needs to be improved to make that delivery more efficient and more effective.
In the world of logistics, success hinges on knowledge. That's why the key to excellence lies in a well-designed training program. But once that program is designed and the content is ready, it's all about delivering it. Consider the following 3 steps to deliver an exceptional logistic training. Step 1. Implement your training program. It's necessary to roll out your training content with precision. Make sure that resources, equipment, and facilities are primed for your methods. Take into account that clear communication is vital. Inform your team about goals, expectations, and the program's benefits. And of course, keep motivation high to foster a positive learning environment. Step 2. Establish your mentoring program. Think of it as a golden opportunity. Seasoned logistics experts guiding newcomers. A mentoring program enriches skills, confidence, and career path. Tailor the program to your team's needs and pair them thoughtfully. And finally, step 3, evaluate your training and mentoring programs. Assess the effectiveness of your program using surveys, feedback, and tests. Gather insights from your team to uncover strengths and areas for improvement. Don't forget to celebrate successes and give due credit. Recognition is a powerful motivator. In a nutshell, delivering impactful logistic training involves precise implementation, empowering mentoring, and continuous evaluation.